Thank you. Things are different now, you know. I've been doing this for 35 years. This morning, some kid, younger than my son, he comes in and he fires me in front of everyone. People don't respect each other anymore, you know?
It's a shame.
Oh. Yeah. Selling knives is not easy, and I'm good at it, you know? You gotta tell people why they need new knives. You gotta demonstrate how good your product is. You tell them that your knives are at the same level of excellence as the best knives on the market, and that's when you hit them with the price, which is unbelievably cheap compared to the other brands, you know? I mean, we are giving them away. Anyway, you gotta connect with your customer, you know? And it takes time.
No such thing as time.
Well, it's just a bad day, that's all, you know? And I've had a few of those in my life. I'm 67 years old, and I'm glad every day that I am alive.
How do you know? Have you ever been dead?
Come on, don't be so pessimistic, kiddo. I mean, you must have a passion for life, don't you?
Life, death, makes no difference to me.
See, sorry, but I think that's the problem with you young people today. You know, there's no appreciation. I say that all this generation needs is more faith in God.
God-loving bastard, ain't you?
Well, of course, you know, aren't you? Why not? Why do you reject the faith? You look like a smart kid. You must have a good reason. Don't you?
It's just not necessary.
How come?
It's all psychological. If you're strong enough, you don't need God.
We all need God.
Sir? Is everything okay?
Yeah, thanks.
They need dependence. They need someone else to take charge, someone to make things right, someone to thank and blame. People are afraid of the disappointment of not having a God. Waking up one day and realizing that every time you put your hands together and pray to the sky, there was no one listening, that would break a man's heart. See, I've heard people say that the best trick the devil ever pulled was making people believe that he doesn't exist. The best trick I ever pulled was making people believe that God exists.
Who are you?
You know who I am. I'm full.
it hurt.